Welcome to the 39th session of Computer Concept for Commerce subject. In this particular session, we are going to learn advantages of MS Excel software. In the previous session, we have discussed about MS Excel, its meaning and features. The objective of this particular session is to understand the advantages of MS Excel. The following are the advantages of MS Excel. Number one is Microsoft Excel allows you to manipulate, manage, and analyze data, helping assist in decision making and creating efficiencies that will directly affect your bottom line. Second one is whether you are using for business or to help manage personal database and expenses. Microsoft Excel gives you the right tools to enable you to accomplish all your needs. The advantages of MS Excel are wide and varied. Here are the main advantages. Number one is easy and effective comparisons with the powerful analytical tools included within Microsoft Excel. You have the ability to analyze large amounts of data to discover trends and patterns that will influence decisions. Second one is Microsoft Excel's graphing capabilities allows you to summarize your data, enhancing your ability to organize and structure your data. Recent upgrades to the MS Excel spreadsheets enhance your ability to analyze large amount of data. With powerful filtering, sorting, and search tools, you are able to quickly and easily narrow down the criteria that will assist your decisions. With the advent of Excel web app, you can now work on spreadsheets simultaneously with other users. The ability to work together enhances your ability to streamline processes and allows for brainstorming sessions with large sets of data. Added bonus is that MS Excel worksheet is web based. You can collaborate anywhere. Used for formulas. MS Excel also can be used for formulas. Microsoft MS Excel performs all mathematical and logical functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, average, etc. It provides many formulas that help you to solve both simple and complex calculations. Graphical representation of data is also possible in MS Excel. Secure. Microsoft MS Excel files can be protected by using passwords. Microsoft Excel mobile and iPad apps. With the advent of the tablet and the smartphone, it is now possible to take your worksheets to a client or a meeting without having to bring along your laptop. The disadvantages of MS Excel are: number one is not easy to share. MS Excel problem is that often the ability for sharing a tool requires extra software to be installed on the PC, and this often becomes cumbersome. Tools like Google Documents are revolutionizing the way people share documents online. Number two, time consuming. In MS Excel, when we are entering the data manually, it can take a very long time, especially if you have a lot of data to enter. Viruses is another problem in MS Excel. Virus can affect the MS Excel document. Customizable graphs. This is a big disadvantage of Microsoft MS Excel. It does offer a good variety of graph capabilities. The customization of the standard formats and combinations of the different data sets and different types of graphs is awkward and not natural. Hard to use. MS Excel training programs, it is still hard to use for some users to create a formula. The reference cells, copy and paste the data, and the spreadsheets become more difficult to change and manage. Difficult to analyze. Sometimes it is difficult to analyze the data using MS Excel software. Thank you.